Hello everyone, I'm Michaela, and today I would like to talk about something that most admins don't think about until their org starts slowing down. It's custom indexes. If you'd ever had a report or SOQL query take forever to run, this is a hidden trick that can make a big difference. So, what are indexes? First, let's break it down. In Salesforce, an index is like an index in the back of a book. It helps the system jump directly to the data it needs instead of flipping through every single record. By default, Salesforce automatically indexes some fields like record IDs, foreign keys, audit fields, and a few standard fields. As I said, without an index, a report or query has to scan every single record in the object. That's called a table scan. Once you get into hundreds of thousands or millions of rows, that becomes painfully slow. Adding a custom index to a field makes searches, list views, and reports run much faster. Let's say you have a custom field called customer segment on account, and your reports filter by that field all the time. If the object has 500,000 records, every query is going to grow. But if you request Salesforce support to add a custom index on that field, those same reports can run in seconds. Unfortunately, admins can't just click a button to add a custom index. You need to log a case with Salesforce support and explain which field needs indexing and why. A good rule of thumb is to request an index on fields that you filter or sort on frequently in reports or list views. If the filter uses a field that returns too many rows, for example, more than 10% of all records, then even an index may not be used by the optimizer. Only fields that you commonly filter on and then return a small subset are good candidates. So remember not to index everything because that can actually hurt the performance. To log a case with support for indexing, go to the Salesforce help page and the AI agent will help you with that. Just make sure that you are logged in and then type log a case. Then share the necessary details. So you should include the object name and the API name of the field that you want to index. You can also include the SOQL query that are slow and include that field in the where clause. You can include the total records in the object and typical subset size when filtered to also explain the business impact. So it can be performance problems, timeouts, selectivity issues, and so on. And just follow the guidance of Agentforce to finish submitting the case. To sum up, custom indexes are one of those advanced Salesforce tools that can save hours of frustration for users running big reports. Next time someone says this report takes forever, check whether a custom index might be the solution. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.